And his opponent in the red corner, Pablo Ognay! Round one.
Good evening, Dynasty Fight Club powered by URCC. Tonight we have the second match. And tonight we will see new fighters that will fight here in Dynasty. But just a quick reminder to our both fighters. We don't allow uncircumcised slap here. In Tagalog, bawal ang mga supot na sampal. Make sure you slap hard. Make sure you knock out your opponent. Alright? So before we begin, let's have a word. Let's hear what will you say? What's your trash talk to your opponent?
Nakatala sa sampal niya. Para magkalaman. Nakasabay sa sampal niya para magkalaman.
She said, make sure you slap hard so that you will know each other. I think that's what it is. Alright, again, slap hard. Alright, first match is rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on! Sampala na! The other hand.
That's a strong hand. Use the left hand. Alright. Swing hard.
I said no uncircumcised slap, please. Round one.
Round two.
can see full swing. Oh! And again, I see a wiggly legs. Oh no! You lost your strength! That's an uncircumcised slap. Bawal ang supot dito. Okay? Oh, there you go for the second round.
Round 3.
Alright, final round for the last match of the slap battle. Can we see, or will we see, a knockout? Will we see a knockdown? But before we do the last lap, any last words to your opponent? What? The old people there. Alright. Alright, let's go! Bad. Crunchy. Oh, looks like it's hard, but no sounds. Alright, one more slap. Okay, it looks like they lost their strength because of those slaps. There you have it for the last match of the slap battle. Who is the winner? Do you think the red corner or the blue corner?
Give a round of applause for the winner,